Hi guys. I'm not going to show me because I have been working my tail off today and I'm all sweaty. I need a shower, but I wanted to share what we did today. So we've been busy, but we had a situation where we had Mr. Peepers here in the house. He's a Bantam chicken. We hatched him and he belongs to Mama, as well as his little brothers and sisters. So we hatched them. She hatched one on her own, but we gave them all to Mama and was letting her raise the babies. But she wouldn't take Peepers. He's about twice the age of these guys. And these guys are about 3 weeks. He's at least 6 weeks, 7 weeks, something like that. So, seeing as that he was in my dining room for, well, all of his life. And so I needed him out of my dining room. And, but Mama doesn't want to accept him. So these guys are getting feathers. They're getting bigger. And I seen on my hometown What's Up page that the tractor store had a return. This little chicken tractor was returned, and it has a couple blemishes, so it was more than half off. And I thought to myself, well, we need to get Peepers outside. And I've tried him in different locations with the other chickens, and he's too little and they just immediately attack him and he can't stand up for himself. So the decision was to put him with his baby brothers and sisters. And they're big enough now. It's warm enough out. They don't need a heater. So we decided to have a little camping party. They got their own little camper. It's mobile. We can move it around. It's got wheels. This is a little handle that you can pull up. So you can pull this up. Like you can't get it. Oh, sorry guys. Oops. Sorry guys. That was very scary for a little guy. Yeah, you'll have that. Anyway, so, yeah, Peepers gets along just fine with them. Now, I just put Mama, because she's having a flippin' fit, I just put Mama in there to see what she would do. She immediately attacked Peepers. Poor guy. I mean, I had to get her out because she was about to kill him. So, Mama, you're done. You're done. Peepers is going to raise your babies for you. He's doing just fine. I don't know. We don't really know. But Mama is not happy about it at all. The babies were very happy to see her when she was like in there for the split second that she was. But again, she took F after Peepers and she's like, yep, you look like a threat to my babies. And she doesn't realize that Peepers is her baby. She didn't raise him. She didn't raise him. She was busy sitting on eggs, so we didn't give Peepers to her. So she's pretty mad at me right now. So I took her back out immediately. So the baby's got their own little home now. Peepers has got an outside home. My house is chicken free for now. So, yay. We don't need any chickens in the house. What, Mama? You mad? Your babies sure would like to have you. Sorry. Sorry, it's not going to happen. It's time. You can go sit on some more eggs. Hatch them out. Right, Peepers? So Peepers is a rooster. We're keeping Peepers. And the other rooster will go back to the auction. And whatever's a rooster in here, this batch will go as well. You only keep one. Now, Peepers is a rooster, the only reason because he's super friendly. Obviously, because he was in my dining room for 6-7 weeks. So he's super friendly. But, yeah, these guys, you know, I suppose it's a 50-50 chance that some of them are roosters. There's 6 of them there. And I would say at least 3. You know, Mama? How many of your babies are boys and how many are girls? Do we have a clue? Peepers, do you know? Do you know if you're a girl or boy? He looks a lot like Mama. Not sure, but his wings hang a little bit. That's kind of an indication that he might be a boy, and I've been calling him a him. Lucy, what's going on? I'm filling your pool. Go swim in your pool. Mrs. Tom is coming up to peck me, I suppose. So it's day 2. There's our little chicken tractor that the baby chicks are in. They're doing fine. Day 2. Mama's still wishing she could get in there. Mama wants to get in the chicken tractor, Lucy. Here comes Silly Goose. What's happening, ladies? Huh? Or gentlemen? We just assume you're girls, but you're probably not. There's Tom. Hi, Tom. How you doing, bud? We're just hanging out because it's really too hot to do much. Oh, yep. Are you pecking on me? You too? Huh? Are you gonna peck me? Lucy, tell him not to peck me. We got some chickens that are interested. Are you gonna get my Crocs, my dirty old Crocs? Quiet day. It's beautiful out. Don't peck me. You guys. Don't peck me. That hurts, tell him. What also hurt was when we were unloading that thing from the... Hey! When we were unloading that from the truck, I lifted it off in that corner right there on the roof. Caught me right in the head. Knocked me on my hind end. Left a mark. Ugh. You didn't catch it, Lucy, for me. Right, Silly Goose. Nobody helped me. Just watch me fall on my butt. Alright, guys. Let's have a nice quiet day, okay? Nice quiet day. Something bite me. Something bite me. Let's have a nice quiet day, okay? Go swim in your pool. Oh, you better turn off the water. It's getting full. I'm getting my leg. Are you eating the grass out of my shoe? Go ahead, eat the grass out of my shoe. Finished my lawnmower and my gardening shoes. You guys are pecking on my gardening shoes. Don't eat the weeds. That's not good for your tummies. Well, maybe you knock some of the grass out of it. Knock the grass out of my shoes. Do you see what they're doing? Go swim in your pool. Go swim in the pool, Tom. It's overflowing there. That's Mama. Mama, where are your babies? Where are your babies, Mama? Go swim in your pool. I'm cleaning my shoes. Good idea. They need to be cleaned. We're cleaning my shoes. Silly birds. Oh. Is that fun, Tom? These are just Dollar General Crocs. They're nothing special, but they withstand some birds pecking on. Say they're not pretty, but they do the job, right, Tom? They're not that pretty, but they do the job. Oh, don't poop on it. I'll be mad at you then. That's enough. See, that's enough. Bob, you got a friend there?
Yeah, I got a friend. What you want? You know? Coming to see me?
Until she poops on you.
Yeah. Oh well. I can change. Alright.
Come sit by me, I'm jealous. Princess. Danny calls her Princess. Oh, you guys got my shoe all the way down there. I'm a little worried about the beads. They ripped the beads off of there, and I'm going to have to get it quick before anybody eats a bead. Getting a fresh drink of water? Huh, Mama? So that turkey over there is one that we've had for, I don't know, what, a year and a half? At least. Anyway, she kind of liked to be friends with these guys. I think she's a little jealous. She can be friends. Princess, make friends with the other turkeys. Tom, you'll be their friend, right? Someday?
Come spring.
Come spring, you'll be their best friend. Yeah? My shoe, Princess, my shoe. Tom. What is the fascination with my shoes?
Colored beads.
What is the fascination here?
Hey, Tom.
What is going on there? What is going on? Are we having fun? What is happening here? Is this the first time you're trying to figure that out, Tom? Oh. Interesting. I sense they're trying to figure something out here. Maybe too young to actually know what to do. Tom, I don't think you know what to do. She bit your little waddle thing and now it looks red and sore. And then she's doing this. I have a feeling they're trying to figure something out. Let's not do it right in front of me, though. Okay? And you might kind of be like siblings. I'm not 100% sure. But I don't know. I'd rather you didn't do it right in front of me. What? Go do it somewhere else. Oh, you look beautiful there, Tom. I think you're too young. I don't know. Maybe not. I think she's... We're all like, yeah. I guess you'll figure it out, huh, Tom? Don't bite his little nose thing. That hurts. He didn't like that. Princess. She almost got you bleeding there, baby. You are beautiful. In an ugly sort of way. Now she's not even looking at you. Yeah. I hear ya. You're trying to show off. You are trying to show off. You showing off for the video? For all the people watching you? She's up here not even looking. Your head's turning blue. Your waddles are all turning red. You're all puffed up. Quite handsome there. But she's walking away. I think you need to, like, flirt with her, not me. I don't hurt you, though, right? She bit that thing on your nose like there was no tomorrow and wouldn't let go. Wouldn't let go. Maybe that's what they do. I don't know. I've never seen that happen before. If anybody's ever seen that, where they, the female bites the little wattle thing on their nose, leave a message in the comments. I've never seen it before. I have no idea. I'm new to turkeys, so. Alright, well, good luck with that mess, Tom. Good luck.